Hello friends, today's topic 7 sectors that may benefit from BJP Manifesto, a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday, the BJP released its election manifesto called Sankalp Patra. It has set a goal of securing 370 seats by itself and a total of 400 for the National Democratic Alliance, the NDA. We will know whether they achieve their goal when the election results are announced on 4th June. If you are interested, you can read the manifesto of political parties. It is available online and can be downloaded. Based on the reading of the BJP manifesto, foreign brokerage company Philip Capital has compiled a list of sectors which will be under focus if BJP wins the elections and forms a government for the third consecutive term. BJP has announced that it will work towards its goals of making India a developed country by 2047. As per the study of Phillips Capital, the following are the sectors that could benefit. Number 1, auto sector. In the auto sector, the BJP is aiming to make India a global manufacturing hub. This is a positive factor for automobile component suppliers like Motherson and Sona, BMW, etc. Also, the government is focusing on making more cars run on cleaner fuel, that is ethanol blending, or electric cars. So companies manufacturing electric cars, two-wheelers will continue to benefit from the government policy. Tata Motors, TVS Motors and such companies will benefit. 2. Banking sector. BJP's use of digital media infrastructure to create digital credit solutions to support the growth of small traders and medium and small enterprise would be positive for stocks such as Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finance, etc. BJP proposes to increase the Mudra loan limit to 10 to 20 lakhs. So, public sector banks and various small finance banks would benefit in the next few years. 3. Har Ghar Nal Se Jal scheme. BJP will initiate Har Ghar Nal Se Jal scheme to provide clean drinking water. It will be positive for stocks such as plastic pipe companies. Number 4. Piped natural gas for all homes by 2029. BJP aims to provide piped gas connections to all homes by 2029. Companies such as GAIL, Indraprastha Gas, Adani Total Gas are likely to benefit from this initiative of BJP when they come to power. 5. Electric buses sector. Since few years, the government has had a target of eliminating all the diesel buses across India and introducing electric buses. This will significantly reduce the pollution and also reduce the requirement of import of crude oil. Ashok Leyland, JBM Auto, Electra Green Tech, Tata Motors are likely to benefit. The government constitutes its push for e-buses. 6. Pharma sector. PM's Modi government would also focus on positioning India as the pharmacy of the world by boosting the manufacturing and research capabilities of the pharmaceutical sector. The expansion of research-linked incentive schemes and investment in new drugs, chemical entities and biological entities would be positive for companies such as Divi's, Sanange, Suwan and Ami Organic. 7. Affordable housing sector. The BJP intends to provide more affordable housing for people since real estate prices have gone significantly and it is extremely difficult for people to buy their own house. This will be positive for banks and financial institutions which provides funding for real estate companies and home buyers. Also, it will benefit cement and steel companies since they will be in high demand. Philip Capital expects the India GDP grow from rupees 340 lakh crores, that is $4.1 trillion, to around rupees 556 lakh crores, that is $6.7 trillion, and the Nifty 50 index to be at 40,000 by 2029-30. Even if the government is successful in implementing only 60 to 70% of the planned initiatives, the country will significantly develop and the GDP and per capita income will be much higher than the current levels. Here is an announcement. ಯಾವ ತರದ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಂಡರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಭ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. Free for all channel members on YouTube live tomorrow 16th April Tuesday at 9 p.m. Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel will be hosting it. At the end of the video, here is the question. As per your opinion, in the last 10 years, how much percentage out of 100 will you give the government for the work done? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.